Yeah, I'm gonna taste it also.
Mmm, sweet. My Jamaat family, how are you? You likely saw me in a previous video on the Bluefields Organic Farm tour. Remember that one? Good, with Mr. Wedderburn. Well, in that video, he actually highlighted another unusual fruit called the loquat. Very exotic, very unusual, certainly for us here in Jamaica. You know me, I got curious. I needed to find out a little bit more about this fruit. Well, in this video, I'm gonna ask Mr. Wedderburn to talk to me about a little bit more about it. So we're gonna explore this fruit, and I'm gonna share with you 10 major health benefits of this fruit right here. Stay with me. By the way, if you're brand new here, or for whatever reason you have not subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to join us on my journey. I do a lot of this kind of stuff showcasing the real Jamaica, including unusual fruits, medicinal herbs, attractions, and all these good things about Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. And that way you'll see updated on my latest videos. Let's go to loquat. Alright guys, so this is it. Another unusual fruit tree found right here in Jamaica. And this is the man I've been talking about, the owner, proprietor of Bluefields Organic Farm. He has one of them right here on the farm. What is this plant again, sir?
Loquat, that's L-O-Q-U-A-T, loquat. So it's like a plum. So when you're looking at it over here, these are the beautiful blossoms, right? And from the blossoms, you're going to take it time, and then you go, these are some young loquat right here. This is the young plant. And then it's going to develop.
These are
when it's
young fruits.
These are young fruits. So when it's mature and ready, it's yellow, and so there's a yellow one somewhere over here that we're going to find. So all these are blossoms.
All blossoms here.
Yeah. And so we travel all the way over.
So just before we touch a fruit,
yes,
what tree would you say this? For those who are looking at it and curious, what tree would this resemble as a fruit tree? Is there anything close to it you can think of?
It look more like a pear or apple.
Apple?
Yeah, more like a pear.
Meaning a Jamaican?
In terms of the leaves, yeah. But in terms of the actual fruit, the fruit resembles more like a plum.
A plum?
Yes.
I want to say the plum, I mean a June plum.
Like a June plum or a little red plum.
Like a red,
yes.
Not cherry plum?
No, the red plums.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so over here now, this is we're getting over here, and over here, this is a mature fruit. Yeah, this is a mature fruit that is ready to be picked and consumed.
And are we using your hand?
Yes.
We're using your hand as a guide.
Yes.
Let me see if I can take a picture of it, my brother.
So good. So as it is, is ready to be harvested. And as I said, it can be. Normally, it is this size. It can be bigger and it can be a little bit smaller. One thing's for sure that they are very delicious. So we're going to be picking this one. So here it is.
So this though, so in terms of size, it's almost like a cherry.
It's almost like a cherry.
So it's not much bigger. It's maybe a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, but on average, this is what it is.
Average, like a cherry.
Oh, interesting.
Rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. And who's gonna sample it?
All right, we're gonna cut it. You have a knife?
No, are you?
Which?
You wanna break it just to see what it looks like?
All right, so let's break it. Let's break it and see what
Just
it looks
to see
like.
what it looks like. So, oh, good.
Oh, so when you break it, it squishes,
Yeah.
and there's one seed in there.
Yes.
Hold on, let's take a picture of the seed. There's one seed in there. Only one seed.
Only one seed.
And there seems to be some juice in there.
Right. See if you wanna taste it.
Oh, sure.
You wanna taste it? Yeah, I'm gonna taste it also.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And there goes the seed. But what fruit? What does it taste like, my brother? From your experience.
I'm tasting a little plum.
Plum? Which one? Which plum?
Look at June plum.
A little June plum.
Yeah, I'm tasting a little
So there's a little bit of tanginess to it.
Yes.
Tangy and sweet.
Yeah, I'm tasting a little June plum.
Yeah, but that's the size. That's relative size of it. How long does it take to mature this? From your experience?
From my experience, it took about 3 years before it started to fruit. And then it fruit right all year round.
And as far as you know, well, tell me a little bit of was it found on the farm here?
No, well actually a friend of mine brought the plants to me And I didn't know what it was at the time, so I just planted it. And as it
Plant
the plant, yeah, the plant. Yeah, he gave me 2 little baby plants, and this was one of them. And I just planted it, and I nurtured it and took care of it. As it grew old, and then it started to blossom. When it bore, it was when I did my research to find out what the name of the fruit. So I didn't know what I planted. I just planted it. I just had faith and said it is something, probably something nice. So I just planted it.
And it is what is the name again?
Loquat.
Loquat.
Yeah, loquat.
Loquat fruit. Loquat.
Yeah, loquat.
The name is on screen and the scientific name is also on screen, guys. You will be surprised to know the health benefits of this unusual fruit here in Jamaica. I'm going to share that with you. After fruit, I'm paddling the breeze here, but after fruit, it's already burned.
Yes.
After the blossom then.
Right.
Sorry. How long does it take to become a fully
fledged fruit, ready to harvest?
Ready to eat, yeah.
I would say approximately 2 months.
2 months?
Yes, approximately 2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
Okay, and it's ready to eat?
And ready to eat.
Okay.
And it can be, in terms of if you want new plants, you can either grow the seed or you can graft it. Because I grafted it, I do earlier and grafted and it worked.
So it's meaning to get more. You have it in other places here?
Well, I don't have any right now, but I sell a few of it. So you just graft it, you can just graft and get a new plant. When you graft it like that, the alien grafting, you get an exact replica of this one. Right.
Fantastic. By the way, guys, I mentioned how nutritious this fruit is, and I'm going to prove it to you now. And by the way, it's also known as Japanese plum. But listen, here now are 10 major benefits, health benefits of consuming this fruit. Number 1, it's rich in vitamins. This loquat fruit is rich in both vitamin A, B, and C, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. We already know about vitamin C, but also it has vitamin A, B as well. It's high in fiber, which helps to promote digestion and prevents constipation. It contains a lot of antioxidants that helps to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. That's 3, right? And I'm going to give you 10. So number 4, it's low in calories, making it a great snack option for those who are watching their weight. All right. It also boosts heart health. This loquat fruit is rich in potassium, which can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. This loquat fruit also contains compounds number 6 that helps to regulate blood sugar level, making it a great choice for people with diabetes. And number 7, the vitamin C in this fruit can help to promote healthy skin by increasing collagen production. Number 8, it contains calcium and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. And number 9, they said it may have anti-cancer properties as well. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in this fruit may help to prevent the growth of cancer cells. Can you believe that? And number 10, it improves vision. It's loaded with vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Did you know that? And by the way, although this fruit is relatively new, exotic to Jamaica, it has been around for centuries obviously, and used for its culinary and medicinal properties. How was it used? Well, people just use the fruit, which is the most common way. You just eat it fresh just like any other snack, or they put it in salads. But 2, people also use it to make jams and jellies and preservatives as well. It is used as a tea, meaning the leaves, which is believed to have medicinal properties such as treating coughs and sore throat. So that's a new one for me. Also, the fruit can be made into a syrup, which can be added to drinks and dessert for its flavor. In traditional medicine, the leaf is also used to treat respiratory problems such as cough and asthma. And surprise, surprise, the fruit is also used in some skincare products due to its high vitamin C content, which, as I mentioned earlier, helps with collagen production and general skin health. The leaf, again, an extract from the leaf, is available in supplement form, which is believed to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. If persons are interested in learning more about this fruit, or to buy fruit from you, or anything like that anything related to the fruit or the farm, how can they get in touch with?
Well, three ways. Well, if the person is on Instagram, we're there in terms of Bluefields Organic Farm. Facebook, we're there, Bluefields Organic Farm. And we also have our phone, which is 876-373-6435. Call us. We're always willing and ready and awaiting you. A warm welcome awaits you. Whether you're just visiting the farm, whether you want something to purchase, this is the place to be.
What makes Jamaica special, Mr.
Jamaica is special because of its, first of all, its people. Secondly, the natural environment. We have some of, in terms of plants, in terms of medicinal value, fruits and things like that, we have all of that. And then in terms of our landscape, our hills, our ocean, all of that makes Jamaica very special and unique. And our atmosphere, wow, how could I, that's like number one for me, because I've traveled elsewhere and very often the atmosphere is one of the things that make me feel homesick. When I'm here, I feel like I don't want to go anywhere. And that's why I really vacate. I always want to stay here.
Fantastic.
Just because of the atmosphere.
Awesome. And guys, if you missed the first video we did with him, there's a link in the description on the organic farm tour. Make sure you take a look at it. This man is doing things, going places with his Bluefields Organic Farm here. And again, another interesting, unusual fruit of Jamaica right here on his farm. Man, loving it. That's it, man. The loquat fruit. Another unusual fruit right here in Jamaica. What do you think about it? I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you, man. Share it in the comments. There's another fruit I need you to see. It's the Java plum, aka the Jamaican Ribena. I have a link to it in the description, but it's also in the card above. See you, that one.